Have you ever wanted to take your class on a field trip, but the field trip was miles away, such as Mount Rushmore, the safari, or Paris? Well, I'm here to help you with that. Hi, I'm Ashley Witt, and I will be showing you how to create a virtual field trip. So let's get this virtual bus moving. So today I will be showing y'all how to create a virtual field trip. And I will be showing y'all an example of a Disney virtual field trip. And I chose this as the example because in this example I will be having my students do decimal computation. And so this will help aid them in that, as well as having a virtual field trip to Disney World. And I chose to use this tool, so virtual field trips, because it's engaging for teachers to use, as well as it's a good tool for virtual teachers. The tool that we will be using is Google VR Tour Creators. And so we're just going to dive in. I'm going to show y'all how to use this website. So first what you're going to want to do is this screen right here is where you're going to want to be on. And so you're going to go to the Google VR Tour Creator and you're going to press Get Started. After you press Get Started, this screen is going to come up. And on the screen it says New Tour or Templates. So this website has templates for you to use if you would like to. However, today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make a tour. So you're going to press on New Tour. And then after that, this screen should come up. And so this is your header screen. And so you're going to put your title, and ours is Magic Kingdom, your description for the field trip, and then you can add an image. And then after you've done that, you're going to press Create. And then the screen will come up, and you're going to put in your desired location. And once that comes up, you're going to press Add Scene. And after that, this will come up, and you are going to put the title for the scene, a description of the scene. You can add audio. You can also add a point of interest. And for your point of interest, you can add an image as well. And then I'm going to show y'all. And then after your scene looks the way that you want it to, you are going to either press Add Scene, and this will allow you to add another scene. So if you want multiple places for them to tour, you'll press Add Scene, or if that's the only one that you want, you're going to press Publish. And I'm going to show y'all an example of what a final product would look like. So this is going to be your final virtual field trip product. And so the pictures again are 360-degree pictures, and your description is going to come up for the student to see, as well as the picture. And then they're able to click through the ones that you provided. And like I said earlier, from the point of view, you can add photos into the photo. And so I added this one for an assignment that I want them to do during the field trip. And you're able to add multiple scenes, multiple descriptions. And so again, I have a picture in this one for their assignment. And then it has your original message at the bottom. And that is the tool that I use, the Google VR, and these are my citations for it. I hope that you enjoyed this presentation on the tool and that it will be helpful for you in the future for field trips that are virtual. Thank you.